Welcome to Zimist Coded. In this tutorial, we will learn how to insert a full width and full height letterhead in Microsoft Word. We have a letterhead image and a sample letter, and our goal is to properly add the letterhead to the document while ensuring that the sample letter remains well formatted. The first step is to ensure that our document size matches the letterhead image size. Since our letterhead was designed in A4 size, we need to set our document to the same dimensions. 1. Click on Layout in the ribbon. 2. Click on Size and select A4 from the drop-down list. Now our document is ready for the letterhead. Step 2. Insert the letterhead image into the header. To insert the letterhead, we will use the header and footer section. This ensures that the letterhead stays in place on every page. Method 1. Using the ribbon menu. 1. Click on the Insert tab. 2. Click on Header under the Header and Footer group. 3. Select Edit Header from the drop-down menu. Method 2. Quick Edit. 1. Move your cursor to the top area of the page, the header section. 2. Double-click the header to enable Edit Header mode. Once in the header section, go to the Insert tab. 2. Click on Pictures under the Header and Footer ribbon. 3. Locate and select your letterhead image file, e.g. from your desktop. 4. Click Insert. After inserting the image, you may notice that additional pages are created due to the image layout. Let's fix that next. Step 4. Adjust the image layout. 1. Click on the Layout Options icon that appears near the inserted image. 2. Select Behind Text from the layout options. Now, manually adjust the size of the image. Move the image to the top left corner. Stretch the image from the bottom right corner to cover the entire page. Your letterhead should now properly fit the document. Step 5. Adjust the margins for the sample letter. After inserting the letterhead, you may notice that the text of your sample letter is covered by the letterhead. We need to adjust the top margin to ensure proper placement of the text. Method 1. Using the ruler. 1. Click on the ruler at the top left corner. 2. Drag the top margin downward to adjust the text position. Method 2. Using page layout settings. 1. Double-click on the ruler to open the Page Setup dialog. 2. Under Margins, adjust the top margin as needed. Now, the letterhead and text should be perfectly aligned. Step 6. Checking the print quality. After inserting the letterhead, you may notice that the image appears faint or washed out. This is normal, as MS Word sometimes displays images with reduced contrast to save performance. To see how it will look when printed, 1. Click File Export. 2. Choose Create PDF and select a location to save it. 3. Open the saved PDF to check the final output. You'll notice that the letterhead appears in its original quality in the PDF file. We have successfully inserted a full width and full height letterhead in MS Word. By setting the page size, inserting the image in the header, adjusting its layout, and fine-tuning margins, we ensured that the sample letter remains readable while maintaining a professional look. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more useful content on Zimist Coded.